meditation to help you stop thinking so much. What I want you to do is get into a nice relaxed position. Go ahead and close your eyes and be fully present to this moment here and now. Give your body permission to totally relax and sink into the silence that is here. Take a nice deep breath in and let it out nice and slowly. And again, this time with more awareness on the breath coming in and going out. And with even more awareness on the flow of breath coming in and out. Simply watching the breath with awareness. Being with the breath during both the inhalation and the exhalation. And just be fully present to the breath. With your awareness just glued to the breath. Being with the flow of the breath from the nose all the way to the belly and back out the nose. Simply watching the breath the entire time, fully conscious of the breathing process. And now I'd like to point your awareness to the small gap in between your in and out breath. There's a small gap of silence and stillness. Watch the breath come in. Be with the breath coming in. And be aware of that gap right before the in-breath turns over to the out-breath. And stay with the out-breath. So now you're fully conscious of the in and the subtle pause before it turns to the out. And if you haven't already, become aware of the same gap in between your out-breath and the in-breath. Be with the flow of the breath from in, with the pause, into the out, with the pause, coming back in, pause, out, pause, in, pause, out, pause, in, pause, out, pause, in, pause. And just relax your breath, not trying to control it any longer, but still watching it fully. Just let it find its natural rhythm. Nice and relaxed now. So soft and gentle and smooth. Still being fully conscious of the in-breath, the pause, the out-breath, the pause. But you are simply just watching it, not controlling your breath any longer. And notice how still you are, how silent you are. Be aware of how peaceful you are, how content you are for no reason at all. Be aware of how totally relaxed you are,